There were rumors that the iPhone 14 Pro models will cost more than its predecessors before the iPhone 14 was officially announced last autumn. Apple ultimately maintained the same prices, but the same rumors are already circulating ahead of the release of the iPhone 15 Pro later this year. A hazy and unreliable rumor on Weibo claims that Apple intends to raise the price of the iPhone 15 Pro series in order to further widen the price differential between these models and the iPhone 15 Plus. In a research given to investors, industry expert Jeff Pu also anticipated a price hike for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. These papers provide no further information on possible prices. Sources like casekoo expected price rises of roughly $100 across the board prior to the release of the iPhone 14 Pro. This would have resulted in the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max having beginning prices of $1,099 and around $1,199, respectively. It is important to note that Apple has already increased the prices of the iPhone in a number of different nations throughout the globe. For instance, the iPhone 14 Pro starts at £1,099 in the UK, as opposed to the iPhone 13 Pro's £949 beginning price. I always believe it's crucial to keep in mind that Apple often secures arrangements and prices for its components more than a year in advance. Additionally, since Apple purchases in such large volumes, particularly for iPhone components, it is better equipped to withstand price rises than other businesses. Apple may have been able to keep the prices for the iPhone 14 range the same by raising the costs of its earlier models and balancing the effects of inflation and the macroeconomic climate. With the iPhone 14, Apple avoided price hikes, giving it a competitive edge over many of its competitors who had to raise prices in response to growing component costs. Apple avoided price increases with the iPhone 14 series, but it is unclear that they will be able to do so this year as well. According to rumors, the new iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, also known as the iPhone 15 Ultra, would cost more than their predecessor models. Given the continuous difficulties with inflation and supply chain interruptions, which are hurting many tech businesses, hearing such allegations is not unexpected. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.